everyone, this is Coach Fierros, and this is Skill Related Fitness Components Lesson 3. This lesson is on page 14 of your Skill Related Fitness Components packet. Let's get started. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to learn different ways to show agility in different sports, and you're also going to do some research, and you're going to find different ways to show agility and also in different sports. Now, there are different ways to show agility in different sports. Today, I'm going to show you how agility takes place in football. Now, again, the definition of agility is the ability to rapidly change directions. Now, right here, I'm going to show you three different examples of how agility takes place in football. Now, one of the ways to show agility in football is by running the ball and then making a quick spin to avoid getting tackled. Another way to show agility in football is by juking against the defender to score a touchdown. Now, a juke could be a very quick move to avoid getting tackled by the defender. And also, running a route to catch the football. That's another way to show agility in football. Now, I'm going to show you these three video examples so you can see how that looks like. Okay, so in this video, you are going to see how agility looks like when making a quick spin. Now, a quick spin happens just to avoid getting tackled. Check this out. That's also showing agility because you are rapidly moving to different directions so you can avoid getting tackled. Now let's look at juking against the defender to score a touchdown. Here are different examples of jukes that happen in football. As you can see right here, the wide receiver made a quick move. You probably missed it, but it was just a quick move just to avoid getting tackled. This is another example of a juke. As you can see right here, the wide receiver made two jukes to avoid getting tackled, and then he ran it in for a touchdown. Here, the quarterback takes it himself. He jukes one defender, another defender, and he went all the way for the touchdown. Look at this juke right here. That's how you show agility in football. Now, this is another example on how to show agility in football. Running routes. Okay. When you run your routes, you're making the defender go one way when in fact you're going the other way so you can avoid getting tackled. So also running routes could be an example of showing agility in football. Okay, now let's look at agility in basketball. Okay, now there are three different examples of how to show agility in basketball. Doing a crossover dribble against a defender. Also, when you're closely guarding the dribbler to avoid scoring. And also, there's this term in basketball that's called breaking ankles while dribbling against defenders. Now, breaking ankles and also crossover dribbles could be also the same thing, but I want you to see the slight difference between both of them. But first, let's look at the crossover dribbles against a defender. This is how you also show agility in basketball. Check this out. Now, again, when you do a crossover dribble, you're making the defender think that you're going to go one way, but then you go the other way. So that way, the defender loses their balance. Oh, that happens so quickly there that you probably missed that crossover dribble. But right here, Chris Paul went over two defenders. Here's another example. You need to have some very good ball handling skills in order to make this happen. Okay, now let's look at how you play defense and also how they closely guard against the players in order to show agility. As you can see right here, remember when you're playing defense, you are attacking the person who has the ball, right? So right here, you follow that person all the way. That's how you also show agility. You're changing direction so quickly in order to attack. Let's look at another example. Now, right here, the ball was stolen, right? But again, you are shadowing the player who has the ball. That's how you also show agility because you're moving directions so quickly in order to steal the ball or to block the ball. So, as a defender, you can also show agility. There's this term in basketball that is called breaking ankles. And you cross over dribble and you make the defender go one way when you're going the other way. So that's how you show agility in basketball. Okay, now, now in soccer, you could also show agility by foot dribbling against a defender and also tricking the defender into passing the ball to a teammate and also juking against a defender. It's just very similar to football and basketball. But right here, there are some examples of how agility takes place in soccer. Check this out. Oh, you probably missed that one. Okay? Thinking that there was going to be a pass, but instead he kept the ball. Now look at it right here. Now the shooter tricked two players into thinking they were going to do one thing, but instead went for the scoring goal. Again, you have to have some great footwork in order to make this happen. Again, this is how you also show agility in soccer. Okay, moving different directions quickly. And they make it look easy. Oh, that was amazing. Oh, okay, so now you're going to work on page 14 of your skill related fitness components package. When you are done, move on to the lesson 4 video. Thanks for watching.